होस्ट नैन्सी और आप सभी का मैं स्वागत करती हूँ आज खास प्रोग्राम में। प्रोग्राम बेहद ही खास है क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं रवीना टंडन को लेकर। जी हाँ, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस रवीना टंडन फिल्मों से भले ही दूर हो मगर खूबसूरती के मामले में काफी हद तक ज्यादा है। सोशल मीडिया पर तमाम बारी ऐसी तस्वीरें सामने आती हैं जिसे देखने के बाद फैंस दीवाने हो जाते हैं। ऐसे में हाल ही में रवीना को देखा गया नायिका फेमिना अवार्ड्स के दौरान, जहां पर रवीना ने तमाम बातों का जिक्र किया, मीडिया के सामने थोड़े गुस्से में भी आई और कहीं ना कहीं जलवे तो बिखेरे ही। अब क्या कुछ हुआ है देखिए हमारी खास वीडियो में।
Listen, where is Anil? Where is Anil? Just see, अंदर का पीछे का लिफ्ट लेके he's gone home. Hi, hi.
What's your definition?
For me, my definition of beauty, I honestly feel what you are within, what you are in your heart, it comes onto your face and your eyes. And for me, the eyes are the mirror of one's soul. So you come to know how a person is immediately, and the beauty reflects outwardly if you are beautiful within. So for me, that's underline of beauty.
Your beauty icon, your favorite beauty icon?
My favorite beauty icon has always been my mum. She's a stunning woman and I follow exactly what she does, and she's stunning till date, and she's aged so gracefully and she looks wonderful, and I want to be like her. Thank you guys. Hi Sumit, how are you? Baki hai. Yes. 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 That's why we decided we'll come here and then go for dinner. It's our anniversary, our 15 years, 15th anniversary. Memorable moments with him? Every day, every day. Every day is fun, laughter, love. That's all I wanted. Thank you. Well, like I've been telling everyone, that these are moments where everyone should come forward and contribute whatever it might be, big, small, little amount, anything. It goes a long way. And yes, I have taken over the responsibility of educating all the girl children. I'm not limiting it to the girl children. It was written like that somewhere, someone said so. But it's not the girl child, the children of the martyrs. And it's not only of the Pulwama attack, it's basically all our Jawan, all our Shaheeds, all our martyrs. So it's not only limited to the Pulwama. So it's a Pulwama attack. It is my foundation will take care of education and give out scholarships as well. See, honestly, पहले मैं इतनी सहमत नहीं थी, because I used to feel कि पहले इतना वैल्यू नहीं होता था. हमने भी देखा है काफ़ी इंसिडेंट्स जो एक्टर्स यहाँ आए, काम किया है, लेकिन वापस वहाँ जाके अपने मुल्क में हिंदुस्तान को गालियाँ देते हैं. ये भी हमने सुना है होते हुए. बट एवरीबडी इज़ नॉट द सेम. उधर भी उतने ही इनोसेंट लोग हैं बियॉन्ड हु आर नॉट प्लेइंग पॉलिटिक्स. आप जैसे, मेरे जैसे, हु आर नॉट इनटू द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ इट ऑल. बट देयर इज़ अ लिमिट to what even we can do, and right now cultural exchange seems impossible, because until and unless they don't really clamp down on what we are wanting, every kind of terrorist unfortunately is found in Pakistan. How come? Whereas they keep denying initially, but ultimately that's what happens. So it's a very sad thing. In fact, they should stand by us at this time and arrest those who are concerned, who are responsible for this horrible act. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I definitely think so. This is not the time for cultural exchange, because all of us at this feeling are feeling very, very hurt and upset. Absolutely. Guys, you know, my husband is inside and I want to... Short.
As an actor, what are your memories of her? It will be a year.
You know, this is a very long answer because I've done 3 wonderful films with her, and she was a friend of mine, very dear to me. So this is not something that I can just tell you in one line. Thank you so much.